Hey everybody, this is Mr. G with your Tuesday homework review for lesson 6.9. This looks a little different than our usual Homelink. It says math boxes up in the corner. Your student does math boxes with every math lesson. It just kind of gives everybody a chance to practice some of the concepts that we've been learning and really reinforces the lessons in the unit. So we were thinking that we could use this a little bit more practice with a couple of these problems. And the two that I'm going to review tonight, although we do expect that all the problems will be done, the two that I really wanted to think about were number 2 and number 3. So for number 2, it says, draw a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. So thinking about what a quadrilateral is, we learned that quad means 4. So a quadrilateral is a shape with 4 sides. Shape with 4 sides. So we need to draw a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Parallelogram has the word parallel in it, and we've learned that a parallelogram is a shape where the opposite sides are parallel, meaning they'll never touch. Opposite sides are parallel. So when we're approaching this problem, we want to think about a 4-sided shape where opposite sides are not parallel. So for instance, if we draw a square, this does have 4 sides. It is a quadrilateral. However, the opposite sides are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. A square wouldn't work. But there's other shapes we can draw like this one, where we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but opposite sides, so 1 and 3, we'll look at sides 1 and 3. If they went on forever, they would cross, so they're not parallel. And we can look at opposite sides 2 and side 4 and see again, if they went on forever, they would cross too. So this is a shape that is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, but is not a parallelogram. For number 3, it says, the basketball team has $125. Team t-shirts cost $10 each. How much money will the team have left over after buying 9 t-shirts? So, it asks for number models. First, we can use a letter. I'm going to use the letter T for t-shirts to represent the cost of all the t-shirts that we bought. So we bought 9 t-shirts and each one is $10. So we can say that 9 t-shirts that each cost $10, 9 times 10, equals T. We can figure out 9 times 10 equals T. We can figure out what T equals if we do 9 times 10. 9 times 10 is 90. So 90 equals T. Now, to figure out how much money the basketball team has left after they spent $90, we can subtract $125 minus 90. We'll do trade for subtraction. So we can take away 0 from 5, but we notice we can't take away 9 from 2. So we have to trade. That 2 becomes a 12. So we can take away 9 away from 12, and we don't have to worry about the hundreds anymore. So 5 minus 0 is 5, and 12 minus 9 is 3. So we have $35 left. All right, hope that's helpful. See you tomorrow.